Hello and welcome to your channel Science, Maths and Engineering. Today we are here to see the basics of MATLAB programming. Now MATLAB basically has two windows. One is the command window that is here and other is the script file. Now as we click the script file, we get to the editor. Here we write all our codes. The basic codes are run from there and then they are executed in the command window. Now let us write a simple program. Let a is equal to 5, b is equal to 10, then c is equal to a plus b. Now note that I am putting a semicolon after a equal to 5, b is equal to 10, but not after c is equal to a plus b. Now as we try to run it, so before running we have to first save this MATLAB code. Now here is an important thing that we should know, that while saving in MATLAB we cannot use any space in between. So instead of that, here I am using the underscore. This underscore allows me to keep the name simple and easy to read, and also there is no space in between. If there is a space, then the MATLAB code will show an error. Now we are going to save it in this .m format and it's saved. Now as we have already run it, let us go to the command window. Here you see the program name is my first program and c is equal to 15 is displayed. Now c is equal to a plus b, but note that since a is, if the a is equal to 5 there is a semicolon, so b is equal to 10 there is a semicolon, so it was suppressed. Now once I remove this semicolon and again run it, you can see that a is equal to 5, b is equal to 10 and c is equal to 15 is there, but you can also see the previous run values, that is c is equal to 15 is also there. Now to clear it, we can write CLC at the start of the program. Now this, what it will do is that it will clear the command window before execution of this file. So now once we run again, we can see that only this suppressed the a is equal to 5, b is equal to 10 and c is equal to 15, the non-suppressed values are there. Now we will try to remove a is equal to 5 and then run it again. Now what happens is, from our experience, b is equal to 10 can come, but c is equal to 15 cannot come because c is equal to a plus b. But here the value of a was already stored from our previous run. Now if we go to, this is called the workspace, we have a variables, you can see a is equal to a variable is already stored there. Now to remove it, what you can do, we have to write clear all. Now what clear all will do, it will remove all the variables from the workspace. Now if we again run this code, you can see there will be some error. See, here is an error because there is no variable a in the workspace now. So when we write a code, at the start of the code we can write clear all also, so that it removes the variables of the previous run and we do not have any dummy values stored from the previous run. Now we again put a is equal to 5 here, we will put a semicolon there, b is equal to 10, we will put a semicolon, c is equal to a plus b, also we are putting a semicolon. Now let it be that e is equal to a minus b, f is equal to a into b, and g is equal to a divided by b. Now we are allowing this e, f and g values to come in the command window, means these values will appear in the command window. Now let us run this code. Now as we run this code, you can see the e is equal to a minus b, that is 5 minus 10 is equal to minus 5 is coming, f is equal to a into b is equal to 50 it is coming, and then z is equal to a divided by the b, that is 5 divided by 10 is equal to 0.5 is coming. Now note one thing, if you are familiar with C or C++, then whenever we execute anything, we have to give them integer values. Like a is an integer, z is a float that we have to mention in C. But here in MATLAB we do not need to mention. It will take according to whatever the suitable value it's required. So it's very simple. It doesn't, you do not have to predefine the what kind of integer you are taking and what kind of is it a decimal or float. You don't have to define it. Now we are going to the variable space, that is the workspace. Here you see A is a 1 by 1 matrix which has a value of 5. Now MATLAB basically means matrix laboratory. So here everything is stored in the form of matrices. Now A is a matrices of 1 by 1 that has a value of 5. Now if we go to the matrix B, B is also 1 by 1 matrices having value 10, C is having value 15, then E is having value minus 5 as we've already computed, F is equal to 50 and G is equal to 0.5. So basically whatever we execute, it gets stored in the workspace. So this is what for the first program, this is what we are learning. Now stay tuned for the next one. So please subscribe the channel and stay tuned. Okay, thank you, goodbye.